Hi, this is David with Fire Pit Outfitter and Colorado Hearth and Home. I'm in our little warehouse today at our test station. I have some gas lines set up over here and wanted to show you an electronic ignition kit. This is a 24-inch pan with an 18-inch penta burner by Hearth Products Controls. We are using our octagonal customizable do-it-yourself kits. We weld these up out of 2-inch steel tube and powder coat them to whatever height you want, whatever shape you want. We do have some standards. This is an octagon. We do square, rectangle, what we call a rectagon, and we have ignition kits that will fit all of these DIY kits. Or you can just drop this into any fire pit. You just need to support this pan and get power and gas supply to it. I do not have a switched power outlet over here, so I'm just going to plug it in and supply power to the unit. It's going to start by igniting the glow plug, the hot wire ignition, and it is starting to glow orange, and it's a little hot since I've had it on. And the gas, I heard the valve click on, and the gas is starting to flow. It senses the heat and tells the valve that it can open up and flow gas to the burner. To turn it off, you just flip your wall switch or hit your remote. If it doesn't have power, it's going to turn off. Really simple way to operate your fire pit. One of the safest ways, because if you lose flame, the valve will shut down. That heat sensor tells it there's no flame here, so let's shut down the valve so we don't have just gas flowing. So that's the electronic ignition. Comes in all sorts of shapes and sizes. There's different manufacturers. This is by Hearth Products Controls.